Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Windscribe on Windows in 2026. If you want to protect your privacy, secure your internet connection, and browse safely on your Windows PC, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, download and install the Windscribe app for Windows from the official Windscribe website. Next, launch the application and sign in using your Windscribe account credentials. Now allow any required permissions if Windows asks for network or administrator access. Next, wait for the app to load and display the available VPN server locations. Now choose a server location from the list based on your needs, then click the Connect button. Next, wait a few moments until the app shows that the VPN connection is active. Now open your web browser or any internet-connected application and start browsing with your VPN enabled. Next, explore the Windscribe settings to customize features like auto-connect, the firewall or kill switch, and startup behavior. If you experience slow speeds, disconnect and switch to another nearby server for better performance. Finally, when you're finished using the VPN, click the disconnect button to safely end the connection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Windscribe on Windows. You can now enjoy a more private, secure, and protected browsing experience on your PC. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.